So I got this Locket diary on Amazon. Got this one, it's cheap. It's on a discount. This one says like Mermaid Princess, like right here. So the locket and the key, they both came separately. I'm going to show how to put both of them on, because I figured this out by myself. It took me around like 20 minutes or so. So this, like, it does have a strap for you to like open it and stuff. I'll show how to put the locket on here, because they don't give you instructions on how to do this. It's like you have to figure it out by yourself. So this is the locket. Here, the key that comes with it. So what you're going to do first is you're going to use this key to open the locket right here, because you're going to want this left part right here is going to have to be open. That's when you know that the key fully unlocked the locket. So you need to open this part first. It's important. Okay, I'm going to show how you open it. The key. Okay, so first you make sure the key is facing this side. It has to be down, because you have to put it in here. Okay, so that's how you open it. Okay, you put the key in here. Make sure it's in here all the way. You're going to move the key, like jiggle it, like move it side to side, like turn it like this. Turn it like this. And then it should open here, the top part. You'll know you've opened it, like if you hear it, and if you feel like this part here is loose. Okay, so now that you've like opened this, you're gonna wrap your key around here. Yeah, you have to. Okay, first you have to wrap your key around here, and then you're going to have to put the hook of the locket inside of here. Okay, so this is for me to do it on the hand because I'm holding my phone. Okay, so slip the hook socket inside of here. Okay, so yeah, you're gonna slip it through here, and then you're going to pull it more down, because you're gonna want to close the locket on this end. Okay, so I'm trying to show it. So you're gonna want to use like both your hands to like close this. It's going to make like a pop sound. I'm not gonna show it because I can't really show it because my other hand is holding my phone. So I'm just gonna pause this, then show it fully closed. Okay, so like I fully closed it. Yeah, it's supposed to make like a little sound when you close it. Yeah, and so if you want to like open it, just like, yeah, use your key, and then like you're gonna, yeah, this thing will open, will go up, and then you have to take off the whole locket off of the little strap. You gotta do this every time you put this back on the diary and take it off. Also, I found that you can attach a keychain onto here. Let me show how. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. Okay, so like, make sure that you always put the little key necklace, make sure you always put this first around the locket hook, because it has to be close to the locket, because you're going to have to unlock it each time you like use your diary thingy to take off the strap or whatever. This has to always go first. Right here on the left side, I have this keychain I got from Laughlin, Nevada, just close to like Las Vegas. Been having this for a while. It's like my name on it. So I'm gonna put like a keychain. You're going to have to put it second around the hook. So I attach mines like this. Then you just like, yeah, it hangs like this. Then you just put the hook of the lock. You put the locket's hook around the strap. Okay, it closed. Then it's gonna look like this sideways if you have like a keychain on here. I highly recommend that you only use one keychain next to your locket here on the right, because like I've tried putting multiple keychains onto the right side here on the next to the locket, and I wasn't able to fully close the locket all the way. So that's why I say don't put a bunch of keychains onto here, because then you're not going to be able to close this. So I only recommend putting one keychain, or put like a small keychain. Just don't put like a bunch of keychains onto the right side. I'm saying that because then that's not going to be able to close. And that's it.